They're biting their teeth. Naughty. Julie getting angry. Julie, you have to kill. Welcome back to our channel again. Today we are going to harvest a vegetable which is beans.
This one is beans.
Yeah.
It's we call in Philippines bagyo beans. So some of this, guys,
We will going to harvest it.
that's why we need to harvest is because the monkey is coming and eating. Look at this. How monkey eating? Unggoy. It's because too much when is that? 2 days ago or 1 day ago?
It was 2 days ago and
Lots of monkey came.
And yesterday monkeys was coming there to eat here.
Yeah. See,
There
look.
to here.
So they eat this one. So we need to harvest before they
Guys,
will eat
our
all.
father came. See there.
What is that? So we need to harvest. You know how to harvest?
Yeah, we know how to harvest.
Wait. No. Wait. You need to harvest like this.
Wing, wing, wing.
Look, like this.
Oh, nice to harvest.
This we call this one bagyo beans in Philippines.
Yeah, and we call in English beans.
It's French beans.
Yeah.
So kinain ng
In Konkani, what we call beans?
So we will harvest, guys, our beans.
Now you're not talking. Now you're not talking Philippines language.
I'm talking.
Then why?
So kailangan na kailangan na i-harvest.
I want to harvest.
Hey, this one, no, that is small.
Whoa,
This
that's too big.
Don't pull it. Otherwise, Dada, help Orlen. Because he's pulling too much. No, don't pull. So Dada will help. See, look at that my
This came
tomato.
out.
No, don't remove the leaves. And that one is my pechay, guys. Pechay.
How much we got?
A lot.
2, 3, 4, 13.
French beans or baggy beans. We
This
will
looks like
harvest.
French fries.
French fries. We will harvest now, guys.
Give me in my hand. Makadi.
Look at that. We have a lot. We have a lot now.
Yeah. Now it's going to be big, big, big.
Another have there. See, have a lot.
Pusky dancer. Pusky dancer. Where is Tamu? Tamu is that.
See, you have lots. Look at that. My tomato.
Yeah.
See,
See tomato.
my pechay.
Pechay.
Yeah.
Now this.
Julie!
Julie. Mama catch. I will go.
So ito na, guys. Marami-rami.
Guys.
It's a lot. Otherwise, monkey will come and eat. Instead, we will eat, then monkey will eat. They'll be outside. Don't take all the small.
Guys.
Hey!
Pet dog.
Hey, Julie! Julie! Ah, put down. So, one more. That one, Bia.
Small, no? You said tomato.
No, other one. Ah, that one. This is good. It is giving too much. You can mix this one be and then other one that vegetable. Ah.
I don't know.
Nalaya ko yung ano. Yung aking ano ba to? Kamatis. May mint. Julie! Too much ba, no? How many? 3 this one. Leave! No more? I check. There's one more here. Better to remove this one. There, down.
How much beans we got?
Don't go. The jasmine only and the flower. Julie!
It's here. Wait करना का. And guys,
Finish now.
wait. Guys, now you can see this long beans, no?
This is not
Which
long,
is-
this is French beans.
It is French beans, no? There it is plain. That you remove and it will be, there is
It
some
will not-
circles and all.
What you call that one?
Mustard beans.
I remove, but you can mix that.
Very small.
Small. Orlen. Maganda. Oh.
Kuri karna kada choto.
Marami na siyang bunga. Ha? Ayan. Ito na guys, yung aming na-harvest na beans. Hehe. Saya naman. Ito guys, yung ano, inano ko na, tawag dito, sayote. Ayan o. Inano ko, tawag dito, tinanim ko. Ayan, may tubo na siya. Ayan. Then, this one, my pechay. Pwede nang i-harvest after 2 days. Oh, pwede na yan. Manilagang baboy ako. Mga sa Webes. Nilagang baboy ako. Ayan pa yung maliliit. Then, yan. Ay, yung aking ano. This one. Alugbati. Yung aking pataba, lahat ng ano, mga vegetable na ano, na balat, yan nilalagay ko. Tapos ni-cover ko siya ng lupa din. Nilalagay ko siya doon sa mga pananim ko. Jelly! Hey! Where are you going?
Go.
Our Julie, our Julie.
Julie is biting Julie.
Julie biting Julie.
I mean, Tom was biting Julie.
Hey! Julie! He's digging. Nahuhulog yung ano, ng uhot sa amin tawag dito eh.
Yeah. Pretty much. Very good.
Nung Christmas, ano to, nilalagay namin yung
Christmas
cream.
is
Aray ko! Yung
Christmas
cream.
is already finished.
Yeah, but we didn't remove this one, no? That's why all falling here. Julie!
Chua.
Julie, Julie!
Tama! Tama!
Julie, yeah!
Mama! Mama! Wait! Julie!
Dada putting fire.
Okay,
Mm.
see this. Okay, here.
No! Let her to go that side.
There.
There. Go and run. Leave. Leave her. Leave. You run there and she's coming. You go that side and she will come. Leave her. Keep her down. Oh, Orlen. Don't do that. Julie, yeah. Yeah.
Mama, this is Kukumaku Chippy.
Jasmine namin, guys. Walang bulaklak. Julie.
Oh, Kukumaku is coming. Mama, see there. Hey, she's finding me. She's finding me that Kukumakuchi.
What kukumakuchi? She makes us...
Kukumakuchi pia samida.
Aray ko. Orlen. Jolly, jolly, jolly. Dito kami sa sa likod ng bahay, guys. After mag-harvest ng aming beans. Nagpausok si Dada doon. Julie, yeah. Ah, si Julie nandoon.
Where is Julie?
Down there.